here's a chance, hands down, to watch the best video camera and the best software on the market.
By the motorcycle in the parking lot wearing a gray jacket. This area is private property. Move out now or the police will be called.
And what about a camera smart enough to tell people, hey, you don't want them on your property doing the things they're not supposed to be doing, just like this video?
Hey, you two by a vehicle in the parking lot. Yeah, you in the black hoodie and pants. I'm talking to you too. Move out now or law enforcement will be called.
I'm going to play it again real quickly, but I don't know if you noticed what all that camera did with the artificial intelligence, the analytics that are on it. Whew, we've been doing video for 23 years. I can't believe it's been that long now. What I found out is a lot of progressions over the years, a lot of copycats, a lot of people saying they can do the same things that other companies can do. There's usually one that sets the standard, and I'm going to tell you who this manufacturer is. A lot of people think, oh, it's Ring, it's Arlo Pro, it's GeoArm, it's all these other cameras that are out there that are copying this software manufacturer. The software manufacturer is alarm.com. I'm going to put a link below where you can look at the cameras, you can look at the software, you can look at the service. But if you are evaluating anything, I mean anything for your home or business that is security related, please think about why you're looking at a Best Buy or a Costco or a Sam's or a place that does not specialize in security only. All of those things that you see on the shelf there, every last one of them are a copy of the best in the industry. And the best in the industry has been leading all of the reviews, all of the releases, all the Frost and Sullivan reports for the last 16 years. I'll give you a link below. It is alarm.com. It's in over 12 million homes, businesses, the most downloaded security app in the world. If you are wanting to protect your family, get something that has an early deterrence system, that has this type of video. Watch it one more time.
Hey, you two by a vehicle in the parking lot. Yeah, you in the black hoodie and pants. I'm talking to you too. Move out now or law enforcement will be called.
It literally is an early deterrent to anything going on at your home or business. We highly, highly, highly recommend it. Yeah, there's a lot cheaper stuff on the market out there. You want cheap or you want protection? Hey, please like and subscribe.